Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show about how to remove FRP Samsung Galaxy A11 model number A11 Let's start the video. You must have Chimera Tool and you must install all drivers in your PC or laptop. Start the video. First of all, you must connect your mobile with the test point. I'll show you where is it test point. Connect. It is the test point. Connect and connect the battery. Wait a moment. Just wait. Yeah, finished 100%. 100% now. Now connect your phone on your Chimera tool. Then start. Wait. Press OK and connect the battery again. Done. Your FRP is done. If this video useful, you can consider subscribe for cell repair.